I'm here at Walmart and I'll be doing a review of this World Table Philly cheesesteak pizza. So this is the first time that I've tried this brand, and it looks good from the picture. Sometimes a picture can be as valuable as 1,000 words, and sometimes it's just downright deceptive, but I'll let you know. Envision thinly sliced steak sizzling on a flat top grill on Broad Street in Philadelphia. Steam rising when the mozzarella cheese is added. Now imagine a thin pizza crust topped that way. Wow. And it says 400 degrees, so I've set it for 400, and it's going to take about 12 to 14 minutes. Okay guys, here's my review. It's a $5 pizza, right? I don't think it's worth $5. It's pretty good. I mean, the cheese is really cheesy. It's nice cheese flavor. But this was supposed to have meat, and the meat is almost non-existent. So sorry. The crust is good, the cheese is good, but overall I have to fail this pizza because it's overpriced. Not enough meat.